welcome back, Back40 Family, to Restoring Old Equipment, Season 1, Episode 6. And the cat has infiltrated the shop again. You wanna say hi? Oh, you're a good girl. This is Amber. I think y'all have seen her in a couple other videos. But in today's episode, y'all, we are finally gonna be painting the vises. They didn't exactly have the royal blue that I was looking for, so I went with sail blue, yeah, something like that. It's a glossy finish. This looks matte, but down here it looks a little glossy. So that's the color we got for that. Over here I got dark hunter green, again the closest one I could find to the original color. Now I'm gonna post up a picture right here. That is the best replacement jaws I could find. Let me know if those will work in this vise. It is a Sears vise. There's the model number right there. That is the closest thing I could find to the vise jaws itself, the replacement parts. These guys right here. If those will work, please let me know. Any help on that, I appreciate it a lot. So I'm gonna start on the vises. First is I'm gonna tape off what I don't want spray painted, which is the top of this guy, the top of this guy, you know, the front. I don't think I'm gonna paint that. Though, actually, you know what, I am gonna paint this because it was painted beforehand. I'm gonna make sure this is all covered up. That's not too important to cover up. Make sure enough of this stuff is covered up. That thread hole is covered up. And then looks like that was painted, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and paint that. And same thing on everything else. Make sure the stuff I do not want painted is taped up. Same thing on this guy. We're gonna start on the blue vise first, which is going to be affectionately named, words are hard guys, Little Blue. Let me know if you like that name, and if you have any other suggestions for that name, let me know down in the comments below. Still don't know what I'm gonna call this guy yet. Any ideas? Let me know. But y'all, that is enough of me rambling on. So as always with this channel, Back40 Family, let's get into some time lapse. Alrighty guys, it is later in the day. I'm about to do the second coat. These actually came out better than I was expecting them to. They look pretty good. Hopefully the second coat doesn't affect the look that much. But let's get started on the second coat. So as always with this channel, Back40 Family, let's get into some more time lapse. Alrighty guys, it is now the next day. I did not end out after I did that second coat because people started coming into my shed and it's still awkward filming around other people. Also, it is like 9 o'clock or something like that, and I went to bed at like, I forget what time I went to bed, so I literally just got out of bed like 20-30 minutes ago. So, ow, oy, these came out really well. I just got to paint the bottom of this, and then I just got to take off the paint, and I'll probably just take some Q-tips and do the finishing touches. But other than that, like you can see right there, there's a little bit of a difference right there. But other than that, these guys are 95% done, so that is pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and flip all these over. This side that have not been painted, go ahead and paint that, and while that is drying, I'm gonna work on the knife video for this week. So if you have not seen that one yet, it should be a pretty cool episode because I'll be starting to do the handle and all that type of stuff. So as always with this channel, Back40 Family, let's get into some time lapse. Alrighty guys, it's been like an hour, I think, or it might have been longer than that, I can't remember. That knife right over there has been a pain in the butt, though y'all already know that if you already watched the episode. So it is time for the second coat. It's dry enough to do it, so let's get on with it. Alrighty guys, it has been an hour and some change since I've talked to y'all. Let's see if this is dry. Still a little sticky. I'm doing a little touch up on that. That's still wet, so that is no good, but let's see. All this feels good, so we'll get started on this guy. Let these guys dry up a little bit. So we'll put this on some cardboard, get like a paper bowl or something to put some spray paint in, and then we'll just touch this guy up. So as always with this channel, y'all, let's get into some more time lapse. Alrighty guys, it is now 3 days later, I think. Everything has its first coat on there. You can still tell where that tape is, but now all I gotta do is clean everything up and make sure it all works. And yeah, I think that's about it. Not a lot of stuff left to do on these, but I'm gonna end out this video right here so I have some time to explain stuff in the next video. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Back40 Family, and please remember, Jesus always loves you. I love you, and if you're a true American patriot, God bless you. Other than that, guys, please have a fantastic day.